Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jeffrey. I'm a student and an entrepreneur. I make most of my money on the internet. Now on this channel, I do stuff like how to make money online, YouTube, affiliate marketing, and social media growth, and many more. If you want to make money online and learn some of these tricks, then hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell icon to be notified anytime we post a new video. Now in this section, we are going to talk about YouTube, how to start a new YouTube channel. But then you ask yourself, starting a YouTube channel, which niche should I start my YouTube channel at? Now today we are going to talk specifically about starting a meditation YouTube channel niche. Now a lot of you has been asking questions. Now there are a lot of tons of channel on YouTube that are uploading meditation videos. Now we could see a few of them over here. Now I'm going to go through these videos and see how much these channels are making. And then you're asking yourself, do meditation videos make money on YouTube? Can you monetize meditation videos on YouTube? Can you make you ask yourself, can you make money with rain videos? Can you make money with relaxing music? Now there are a lot of videos online which are talking about how you can go about this, and then how you can also make money online using these tricks, and then creating these meditation videos and all that. Now you can see from here, it says that can you monetize meditation videos on YouTube? This from vid creators, and it says this one says here, can you monetize meditation videos on YouTube? And it says make money online with rain videos, and it says make money with relaxing music, and then all of that. But you ask yourself, do people actually get this amount of money? So we could see from this channel is called Good For, and then they make meditation videos. You can see that from here they are making about 9,000, almost 9,000, more than 9,000, and then this could be more, because you could see that this social blade on this website, it has a CPM of about a maximum of $4 CPM. But then this channel is making more than what you could see over here. You could see that it is also making this amount of money in a year. Now another channel is also called Calm. Now this channel also make YouTube videos, meditation videos here. So you could see that it is also making about 11,000 a month, and then on yearly basis making this amount of money. Now this channel also called the so you could see that this channel called the Relax Guy here, you could see that it's also making about $30,000 more than, and it could even more than that, making this amount in a year. So you could see that just as of today, as I'm recording this video, you could see that he's making almost about 1.2k dollars. You could see you are making people are making a lot of money starting these meditation video channels and all that. But you ask yourself, how do I make these meditation videos? How do I make these meditation channels? Where do I get this sound and all that? Now I'm going to show you some of these steps, some of these websites that you can get few meditation music and all that. And our channel is also called Relaxing White Noise. So you could see that we have it is also making just $100,000 just in a month, and is making about 1.2 million in a year, and this is even more than that. So you can see that as of today too, it is also making about 3.5k dollars, and it could be more than that. So you can see that a lot of channels are making videos when it comes to meditation, and they are making a lot of tons of money online. Now I'm going to people asking whether you can monetize some of these videos. Can we monetize some of these videos and all that? Now I started a channel on that, which is also called the Australian White Noise. I just tried this channel for some months, growing this channel excessively. So you could see that I've made a lot of videos here. So let me play some of these videos. So you could see that I've made some videos over here. So you could see that it is playing just music in the background, and then just a picture or a video in the background. So you could see that a lot of them over here. Then so you could see that this is my channel. I've made some of these, but the question is, can we monetize some of these videos? So I'm going to go to my my YouTube studio, and then I'm going to show you guys whether you can monetize this video. So you can see it from here that You could see for me I have about 1074 subscribers over here. Now these videos that I made, as you could see, I was playing the video. I took these stock images, these videos from this site, so you can see that we have physics over here. Now when you come to physics, you could search for meditation videos. You could go like meditation videos, and then meditation relaxation. Then it's going to give you some of these videos. You could see that she's meditating and all that, so you could download some of these videos from Pixel. So you go ahead and click on download, and then you could see that it has been downloaded over here. So you could do that also. Then also you could also choose whether you want it in the form of photo, videos, or just photos or videos. Another channel that you could also get some of these stock images is also from Pixabay. And then you could also search for meditation. Then you could see some of these images over here, and then you could also get some images. You could also get some videos also from this website. Now this website is also called this Pixabay. Now this website is also called Ben Sound, which is a royalty-free music, where I get this sound in making some of these meditation videos. As you could see, they are meditation videos. So royalty-free music is for creators, the best music by the best artists. So you can see that you could go ahead and search for you could sign in and then search for meditation videos, sound and all that, whatever genre and all that. So I've gone through this website and I've gotten some videos. I've created some music, and then I go ahead and then create some of these things on this website. So I select videos, this canvas, and then because it is YouTube video, and then I upload some of these videos, and then I put the sound and then create the whole videos on this website. So you can see that on this channel I have over 1 hour videos, I have 11 hours videos, I have so you can see this one here is having about almost 2 hours videos. This is having about 2 hours, 11 hours, 11 hours, 11 hours, 11 hours, 10 hours, 10 hours, longer videos that you could play all day long. So you could see that you could also try this. So basically these music are free online and all that, but the question is, if these things are free online and these videos are free online, can we monetize some of these things? So let me take you through the analytics of the channel. So you could see it from here that I go to analytics. So you could see that in lifetime, so you could see that lifetime I have about 3k, which is the 3,000 views. I have about 6.3k watch hours, which is more. I have about 1.1k subscribers, and then you can see all of that over here. So you can see that I've just passed the threshold for YouTube monetization. I've gotten about more than 1k subscribers. I've gotten more than 4k watch hours. So you can see that I could go ahead and also apply for monetization. Now this channel, I'm making a lot of waves online. People are listening to some of these music and all that. So when I go to end over here, so you could see that on this channel I applied for monetization, and then they gave me these results: your channel wasn't accepted for monetization. Now what happened? So you could see that they gave the reason over here, and the most popular reason that they give is that reuse content. So you can see from here it says that reuse content. Now the reuse content is basically from, it says that examples of what is not allowed. So you can see that I've used content or like that other channels have used over and over and over again, and you to feel like I'm doing this with ease. I'm not passing through any kind of I'm not putting any effort to do some of these videos. I just want to pass through some few areas and then get this whole thing. So you can see from here that it says that short videos you compare from other social media websites. So for me, it says short videos you compare from other social media website, collection of songs from different artists. So you could see that I'm just collecting songs from this website. Now this website may seem to be free, but then they are not free. Why? Because other channels such as these channels that I've showed you, Goodful, Calm, Relax Guy, and then Relaxing White Noise, you can see that these channels have used this music over and over and over again, so they has become reused on YouTube, and then a lot of people have used these things. So therefore YouTube will not allow me to get monetized. So you can see that collection of songs from different artists. It says clips of moments from your favorite show. So you can see that clips from this website such as Pixels, Pizza Berry, and all that. A lot of people are using these images on YouTube, and then they feel like these contents are reused and all that. So you can see from here it says that content uploaded many times by other creators. You can see that this is very important. Content uploaded many times by other creators, and it says that promotion of other people's contents, even if you have their permission. So you can see that I have applied 2 times. And then still it wasn't accepted for monetization. So what I'm going to do is delay some of this content from this channel and then use this channel for something else, because basically the content of this channel are reused content, and therefore I won't be allowed for monetization. Now the question is, what is the best way to get monetized? What is the best way to get the videos? What is the best way to get the sound and all that? So this guy called the Realize Guy on YouTube, he does his own kind of meditation. He records his own kind of meditation on, and then upload them on YouTube. You could see that he's currently streaming some of this thing live. So you could see over here that he's streaming some of this. He does his own kind of recording on YouTube and all that. So what I will advise you to do is that you could you just get your sound recorder and then go to a very cool place, relaxing environment such as the beach. You could go to a calm place where you could record some of this sound. You could also record rain sound. You could also record snow sound, whatever sound that you feel when you listen to it is very relaxing and all that. Fan, your ceiling fan, your standing fan, you could record some of this sound yourself without going online and searching for free music online, because they could give you copyright. And also when it comes to making the videos, you could just record yourself or record some moments when you go to the beach, when you whatever place you go that you feel like it's very cool to record, that is very relaxing. So you could record you walking by the beach and all that. You could go to the seaside and do some of these things, and then do your own kind of recording, just as this guy does his own recording. So that would be the best thing to do, just for you to get your own content without going online searching for videos, searching for audio, that at the end of the day you would work very hard, and then at the end of it all you will not be accepted for monetization. So you could do this thing by your own self, get your own sound, get your own video, and then you go to Canvas and then just edit the videos, and then you could so you could just record 10 seconds sound. You could also record just a minute video or just some seconds video, and then you could just duplicate these videos and make it longer for 11 hours or 12 hours. Now if you want me to show you step by step on how to do that, you could just leave a comment in the comment section, and then I'm going to take you through how to do that. There are a few software that I'm going to take you through how to do that. But then the best thing is that in order for you to get monetized for meditation videos, you just record your own sound, record your own videos, and then you could go ahead and do your own stuff. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much, and then